Welcome to a new paradigm in digital asset valuation. Today, we move beyond the hype to understand the structural physics of the market. In this lesson, we will establish the core principles of market physics, introduce the universal classification layer, and validate our model through three distinct case studies. For over a decade, valuation has been driven by speculation. This framework, Professor Clock 3.0, introduces a unified framework based on function rather than story. By applying laws of structural physics, force, momentum, and gravity, we can understand an asset's true worth. Any market is a system of opposing forces. We analyze two primary waves: the conviction wave, representing long-term foundational belief, and the reaction wave, driven by short-term sentiment and breaking news. By measuring the interaction between these waves using our proprietary indicators, the demand ratio, the acceleration gap, and the normalized force index, we can diagnose the true health and trajectory of any digital asset. A one-size-fits-all model is a fallacy. An asset's value is derived from its economic function. Therefore, the first step is to classify the asset into one of our 5 primary categories, each with its own valuation formula. By classifying the asset first, we apply the correct formula to understand its true structural value. Let's look at how this applies to real-world examples, starting with the bridge of the ecosystem. XRP functions as a financial bridge. With an intrinsic utility value of $1.14, its price cycle is a direct amplification of this baseline, validated at both cycle extremes. Bitcoin, however, revealed a profound discovery. Its intrinsic value is a composite of its network utility and a quantifiable monetary store of value premium, which we calculated at $29,700. This two-component approach successfully modeled Bitcoin's price at both the absolute bottom and its speculative peak, proving the unique monetary character of the asset. Ethereum, the world computer, required our most advanced model. Its value is a composite of 3 factors: direct revenue from fees, the value of its ecosystem, and its monetary policy. Analysis proved that over 90% of Ethereum's baseline value comes from its ecosystem and monetary policy, rather than direct fee revenue. The era of hype is over. Price follows force, and force is a function of value. Remember, this content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice.